Hi everyone, welcome to Module 15. In Module 15 we're going to be looking at Chapter 15 and Discussion Board number 5. With Discussion Board number 5, make sure to review the requirements because it's been a while since we've had a discussion board. In the discussion board we're going to be looking at making sure that you have an initial post to the discussion question, 3 to 4 paragraphs, APA formatted in-text citation and reference, and 2 peer responses. Make sure to really focus on your content and your analysis to the discussion board questions that I ask. Because the discussion board questions this week are going to be a little more focused and have a lot more research involved in them. So for this week, we're going to be looking at different exchange rate systems. And there's 3 main ones that we're going to focus on. Fixed exchange rates, which is something like China, where the exchange rate does not fluctuate. It's stable at a certain price level that we've established. A flexible exchange rate system is like the U.S. economy, where the U.S. dollar is always fluctuating in price. And the third one is the managed exchange rate, which is looking at a certain level. So for an example in the U.S., if we went to a managed exchange rate, let's say that we state it's going to be managed between $1 and $1.15. So that'd be a managed exchange rate. It can fluctuate between that level but can't go outside those boundaries. The other thing we're going to be looking at this week is really something that's very interesting, the currency crises that we've seen all over the world. There's many different currency crises that have been established and that we've studied. And in the discussion board, I'm going to be asking about a couple questions on those currency crises. So for this week, you have Chapter 15, Discussion Board number 5. Make sure to have that initial post in by Thursday night and the remaining post in by Saturday. And any peer responses can be to any of the questions I ask to any students. So I look forward to your effort this week.